Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. For today, I am going to be doing another try-on haul. I purchased a ton of items from Pretty Little Thing, Missguided, where else? Forever 21, Amazon, like just a bunch of stuff that I bought over the past month or so. So I figured I would share it with you guys. Sugar Baby back there is watching, and people walking by are watching me film. So today's haul is kind of like a mismatch of a bunch of different items. We have dresses, we have leggings, we have shoes this time, which I'm really excited for. Also, it's a super cloudy day outside today, so that's why my room is like a little bit dark. It's so cloudy and so gloomy and really rainy, but let's just go ahead and get started. I feel like I'm rambling. So today's video is actually in partnership with JustFab, and I'm so excited to work with them. When fall comes around, I always freak out when I'm like, oh my God, like I have no shoes. I don't know what it is. Summer, I'm good, but like fall rolls around and I freak out. The only thing I have is like sneakers. So I was really happy when JustFab reached out to me because I love them. They have such amazing items for such affordable prices. So I went shopping on their site and picked up a bunch of different items as well as some fall booties that I want to show you guys that I'm going to be rocking this fall that I'm kind of vibing with right now. So if you don't know what JustFab is, they're an online shop and it's absolutely amazing because they have this online quiz. So all you have to do is 60 seconds. You fill out the quiz. It's kind of like a style quiz. And then from that quiz, they kind of make a boutique just for you and pick out items that they think you'll love. So I love that because it just makes shopping easy. A lot of the times when I go on a website, I'm just like, I don't know where to click first. Like, do I shop here? Do I shop there? So I just kind of love how with JustFab, they choose the items for you that they think you'll like based on the quiz. So it's super easy. But of course, you can also just shop through their menu. The new arrivals section is always my favorite as well. They also have a VIP program, which I highly recommend you guys checking out because you can get up to 40% off the retail price, which is absolutely insane. If you guys want to shop with JustFab, all you have to do is use my link, justfab.com/Amy Macedo to get 50% off. Yes, 50% off your entire order. Also, if you're with the VIP program and you're getting 40% off the retail price, plus you're shopping through my link, you can get like items for as low as like $10. Also, by the way, they don't only just have shoes. JustFab also has accessories. They also have clothing items. So many things, so definitely check them out and get 50% off your order with my link. I'm gonna leave my link down below in the description box as well, but let me stop rambling. I'm gonna show you guys what I actually got from JustFab. Okay, so the first item I picked up from JustFab was just a really classic pair of strap heels. I love these. You guys know I always wear classic strap heels. It's just like my favorite. It goes with every outfit. It's super minimalistic and super simple. But what I really loved about these is the heel is a little shorter. They have two versions. One version was like a longer heel and this one was the shorter one. I already have ones with a higher heel. But I kind of wanted to try a shorter heel because I feel like it's short enough where like they're probably gonna be more comfortable to wear, but not too short where they look kind of like tacky and weird. You know what I mean? Because like short heels, I'm not really vibing with short heels. So I just kind of like how it wasn't too short, but still short enough where like it gets more of a comfortable alternative than my other strap heels. But let me tell you guys, what I absolutely found amazing with JustFab, like I was blown away and I can't even believe that this is not a regular thing. But I was blown away by their color selection with these because normally just basic nude strap heels comes in one color and it's beige. And JustFab comes in all different shades of nude. So it comes in even a color lighter than this. It comes in a tanner color. It comes in a more of a caramel color. And it comes in a deep espresso shade. I was absolutely blown away by how they offer these in different shades of nude. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. I can't even believe that that's not like normal. Like normally they just offer beige. Obviously this isn't everyone's shade of nude, you know what I mean? So I loved how they offered different shades of nude. And again, I'm like, I can't even believe that that's not normally offered by most brands, but shout out to JustFab for that because I was really happy to see that. Okay, so this is really random, but honestly you guys, using my link down below, 50% off, add this to your order. These are, it comes in a pack of 3. These are no-show socks. I love no-show socks. These are all me and my sister wear because it doesn't show your socks. And I just feel like it looks super clean when you're wearing sneakers. Your ankles are just bare and everything looks clean and crisp. I'm not really like into showing socks unless you're purposely doing that for like the style or whatever. But most of the time I'm wearing no-show socks. So yeah, they're an affordable price. So add these to your order. They're just good to have, obviously. Okay, so let me show you guys some heeled booties that I picked up. So I loved these so much because I'm really into charcoal and smoky grays this fall. And these are perfect. Like, these are kind of like sock boots. They're knit up here and they're pointed, which I really, really like. Like, look at how pretty these are. I'm so in love with these. So I picked up the same boot in black because I figured, you know, you can never really have like enough of a classic pair of black that just goes with everything. So I picked these up in black as well. Okay, so I have one more heeled boot to share with you guys, and then I'll show you guys a flat one that I picked out. But I absolutely loved these. Like, how cute are these? These are just a black pair of lace-up booties. I just absolutely love them. Okay, so I picked these up for like a flat option when I don't want to wear heels, obviously, because to be honest, most of the time I never wear heels. But yeah, I love these. They look so cute. They're really like, they have a little bit like that grungy vibe, which you guys know I like. Here's how they look close up. So cute. I really love these. These are gonna be perfect to wear with jeans, leggings. Just love how they're versatile, and again, they're flats, so they're gonna be comfortable. So last thing I picked up from JustFab, because I really wanted to share these with you guys. I saw these on the website and I was like, those are so cute. So these are obviously just some sneakers, but I loved the gray and I loved the white, and most importantly, I love the price of these. I love that these are super affordable, but they're still really comfortable and super cute. Like, they totally look like Adidas shoes. Here's a close-up of them as well. I absolutely love the gray and like the knit kind of detail that they have too. So let's get into the clothing items I have to share with you guys. The first item is what I'm wearing right now, and this is actually from Pretty Little Thing, and it's actually a long sleeve stone dress. So this is actually a dress, but I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest with you guys. I love it more as like a shirt. Like, it looks so good as a shirt. As a dress, I'm not crazy, and I'll tell you guys why. I actually picked this up in a US 2, which is crazy because I'm nowhere near a 2. So you kind of have to like go down in size with this one. But anyways, it's kind of long, like way longer than I expected actually. I wanted it to be more of like a mini dress, and these go like more near my knees. And it's also a really thin material. You can kind of almost see my bra underneath. Which it's not like horrible, but on the bottom part, like, you can full on see my thong, which obviously I can't wear that out in public. I did kind of like it. I mean, I'm wearing it right now and I was like looking in the mirror. I did kind of like how it looked bunched up, like when I kind of bunched it up and made it into a mini dress. It looked really cute. But then I don't know if it looks silly. Like, let me know what you guys think. Like, does it look kind of weird when I bunch it up? Because that's the only way that I like it, because then it's in a mini dress. Now, I could just cut this dress and make it into like a top, so it's like a long sleeve top. I might just do that. So I picked up some dresses from Pretty Little Thing because I was emptying out my closet the other day with my sister, and we threw out a lot of my dresses because they were all size large and size like 10 and stuff, and they just don't fit me at all. It was like swimming in them. So I had to pick up some new ones that fit me now. And this one I love. Oh my god, you guys, it's so pretty. I love this. I love this detail. I did pick this up in a 4 and I tried it on. I can't remember. I think this one was a little bit tight on me. But it's okay because I am really close to my goal weight, you guys, and I can't be buying clothes that I'm gonna throw out once I reach my goal weight, because I've thrown out, or not thrown out, given to charity, but whatever. I've gotten rid of so many clothes that it's like, I'm done. I'm not gonna do it anymore. It's a waste of money. So I can't really be buying clothes that like fit me perfectly right now, because in 15, 20 pounds from now, they're gonna be loose on me again. So I'm okay if something is tight on me for right now. Okay, now this dress I am obsessed with. It's absolutely beautiful, but I'm so sad because I'm not even gonna be able to try it on for you guys, to be honest with you. I tried, but it's too tight. Like, this dress is tighter than tight. This I also got in a 4, but to be real with you guys, this looks and fits like a 2. Like, I am not playing with you guys. Look how tiny that is. This does not look like a 4. Like, that literally looks like a 2. It's so tiny, and I'm kind of sad because mine came with like a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, a little stain on it, but it's kind of not really too noticeable, so I didn't want to make a big fuss out of it and return and go through all the hassle. But anyways, how gorgeous is this dress? So classy, so clean, and it's a perfect mini. It's not too long on me. What I did kind of like was like meh about was that the back is a scoop, so you can't wear a regular bra, which sucks for me because you guys know I have to wear a bra. I don't have like good boobs on their own, at least in the future till I get that breast lift, you know. But yeah, right now my boobs, they're not good on their own, so I kind of hate how you can't really wear a bra with this since the scoop back. But this dress is so beautiful and so classy. I'm telling you guys, I would definitely purchase it. Just know it's extremely tight. like extremely tight. You have to go, for me right now, to be honest with you, I tell you guys I'm a true 6, but I'm kind of like, I'm in between a 4 and a 6 right now. I'm in a really awkward place in my weight loss journey where I'm like in between a 4 and a 6. So this and a 4 was too tight on me. So I would have had to get the 6 definitely. So then I picked up this, which I can't remember where this is from. Yeah, I think this is from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not too sure, but I'll link it down below. This is just a basic nude, kind of like tan nude. It's not so pale. It's more like a camel tan nude, long sleeve scoop neck bodysuit. I just figured it's a good basic to have. Oh, the tag is right here. This is from House of CB. Yeah, this is an extra small, by the way, and it fits really nice. It doesn't look like an extra small at all, but House of CB actually sent me some items, so you guys will see them here. They sent me this one, and I just think it's really pretty. It fits super comfy too. So this next dress I picked up from Pretty Little Thing as well, and I absolutely love it. The only thing with this dress as well is I can't wear a regular bra because the straps are so thin. I would have to wear a strapless. This dress is also a 4, and it's way too tight. I definitely won't be able to try this one on for you guys either, because I'm telling you, when I tell you it's tight, it is like tight, like your girl can't breathe. So I'm gonna have to show you in the future when I do fit into it. But yeah, such a pretty dress, and I love the straps are like a little bit, I don't know if you guys can tell, the straps are like a little bit satiny. Just such a very pretty classic dress, and it is a mini dress too, so it's not too long, which I really liked. So the last dress I got from Pretty Little Thing, I was a little bit disappointed in because of the color. To be real with you guys, I thought it was gonna be like a baby pink, but it's more of like a mauve darker pink, which it still is beautiful, don't get me wrong. This just isn't the color that I'm like really feeling right now, but it is a really beautiful dress, and this actually fits really nicely. This was, yeah, this is a US 4, and it fits me really nice. So this is another item that I got from House of CB. So absolutely beautiful. This is gonna look gorgeous with some jeans. Now the only thing with this is, to be honest with you, on the website, the reason why I picked this out, again, they sent me these items, but this isn't sponsored by them or anything. The reason why I picked this out is because it looked like the top had like a layer on the boobs to obviously cover the nipples, but it doesn't. It's completely naked, so I'm just like, great, like what am I gonna wear with that? You know what I mean? I feel like it should have at least come with a layer just to make it easy to wear that matched the color so you could barely tell. But anyways, it is a really pretty item. I might just wear it for photos. Oh, and then I also got that same dress I showed you guys, the nude one from Pretty Little Thing. I got it in black as well because, again, I threw out a lot of my dresses, so I don't own like a basic black dress right now, and I really liked this one. Okay, this top I fell in love with, and you guys fell in love with last week when I shared it with you guys. I actually just did a video, and I wore this and also some photos on Instagram, so you guys saw this. I'm gonna leave the photo up here so you can see how it fits on me. I was really pleased with how this fit on me. I was a little bit worried because I was like, how are my boobs gonna look in it? Is it gonna be too tight? How's it gonna fit? How's it gonna look? But everything fit really nicely. It's a really nice fit and a nice flattering bodysuit, which, yeah, this is actually a bodysuit. I don't think a lot of you guys knew that from the photo, but it is in fact a bodysuit. But they left it open over here so that your tummy could show. So it looks like a crop top, but it's a bodysuit. So I really love how they did this. Again, this is from House of CB, and this is a size small. So I want to tell you guys how I wore this item. I actually ended up wearing it with like kind of something that you call a V-bra. I'm going to link it down below, but it's called a V-bra, and it's a bra that goes really like down here. And then what I did was I took the tie and I wrapped the tie around the bottom of the bra and then made the bow around it. So it actually worked out really well because I almost made it to be like the bra and the top were one. So, you know, the girls were sitting right, everything was good. So I really loved the top, it fit nicely. And I'm also gonna link the bra down below from Amazon. Next item is from Missguided, and this is a long sleeve gray bodysuit. So I picked this up in a 6, and I really wish I got a 4 because I already know that this isn't going to hug me. It's just gonna like sit and fit, but I want it to like kind of hug me. This is just a really pretty color, and I really have been loving this color for fall. So I figured I kind of need like a long sleeve basic in this color, maybe to wear with some jeans or some track pants because I don't really have anything like that. So next item I got from Missguided, I also wish I got in a 4. So it's like the opposite of Pretty Little Thing. And how gorgeous is this top, you guys? This is kind of like a stone sand nude crop top, but it's like a 3/4 sleeve. It's not a full length sleeve, and it just has all these buttons going down, so you can kind of open them, show a little cleavage, or you can button it all the way up. I just thought it was such a cute top, so I'm really happy with this one actually. Last item from Pretty Little Thing, I was really excited to find this. I was actually shopping through their app and I was really excited to find this. These are navy joggers. I love this color. The reason why I really wanted these is because you guys know from my last haul with Boohoo that I purchased their, that like, what was it? It was like a hoodie and matching joggers tracksuit, but the bottoms were way too tight on me. Do you remember that? So I've kind of been on the search for like matching bottoms for that. So I got this hoping that I could wear it together with that, and I put them up to next to each other and they're pretty much almost the same color. So I could totally wear these with that. So last little items, I figured I would show you these because I picked up some leggings. So the first pair of leggings I got were from Forever 21, and I got these because Steph messaged me and she was like, Amy, you need these. I just bought these and they fit amazing. So these are from Forever 21. How gorgeous are these? These are actually more of like an active legging, but I'm personally gonna be wearing it as like a regular legging with tops and crew necks and stuff. But these are the perfect beige. The only thing I don't like about these is that they added this like pocket over here, and I'm just like, really? You couldn't have kept it clean? Because you guys know I have this thing where like I'm obsessed with like clean, solidness, and I'm not really a huge fan of like added patterns or this and that. So I kind of don't like that they added that, but then when I switch my thinking, I'm like, oh, it kind of adds something, and it does look a little, you know, it kind of adds something. So whatever, I do really like these a lot. Just like, how gorgeous are these? Honestly, I just love this color because most of the time when you pick out nude leggings, they either come like more of a camel nude or more of a pinky nude. Like they just never get this like Yeezy beige nude down. Like I feel like this is, again, giving me Yeezy vibes. So speaking of Yeezy vibes, I've been really loving like the idea of charcoal or like navy leggings, but they're really hard to find. Like most, I actually got some from Pretty Little Thing and they were nice, but they're see-through, so I could only wear them with long tops. So I wanted like a nice pair, you know? And I couldn't find them anywhere. So I finally went on Amazon and just decided to look around, and I was really shocked when I was happy with my order. So I picked up these leggings. Again, they're from Amazon. They're from the brand Satin. And they come with a wide band, which I love because they're perfect. I don't know, I feel like they just sit on the tummy nicely. But I was really shocked when I liked these because I picked the color charcoal and I was like, oh, watch them come, and they're just like a tacky charcoal. No, they are the most beautiful, like, it's the most like beautiful blue toned slate solid charcoal. So nice. The only thing with these is they come in one size. So I personally feel like they fit more like a medium, whereas I wish they were more like a small. But regardless, I'm okay with them. They still fit me really nicely. These are beautiful. I actually wore them the other day with the Adidas Falcons and my Pretty Little Thing blue like zip up. Oh, so beautiful. I just love the tone of this. It's really nice. So I also picked up these because I was like trying different leggings from Amazon. Also, I think these were like $10, like so cheap. But I was trying different leggings from Amazon, and these are from a different brand. And this is in the color navy because I wanted to try different ones. These are actually really pretty. On camera in the viewfinder, they're coming off a little brighter than they actually are. In person, they're very faded. Like they have this faded, muted navy tone to it. And I really love these because I also could wear these with the Boohoo hooded navy kind of top that I showed you guys in my last haul. If I don't want to wear them with the joggers, I can wear them with the leggings. So I love these as well. The only thing I'm not a huge fan of with these is that these ones have the like regular band, but the wide band always just looks a little more flattering. So what I actually did was I just went on Amazon and I purchased these exact leggings, the Satin, in navy. So I want to see what their navy looks like, you know? So that is pretty much it, you guys. Those are all the items that I got. Now, to be honest with you, I am not doing any more shopping for a while. I feel like I got enough clothes for fall coming up anyways, so no more shopping for me. Again, don't forget to check out JustFab. They're amazing. You guys can get 50% off your order. I will leave my link down below in the description box. And again, thank you so much to them for partnering up with me for this video. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.